Oh yeah.
Gives you a fucking sound cue.
How's that? Right, my right. That's pretty far right.
The center's gonna be.
Stop right there. Go down like 2 clicks. That's perfect.
Good.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Over this.
If not, we'll
do like that.
take it out, put it back in, and try to hold it. Right here. Stop there.
We know as Battalion Road where it intersects. Okay, off to the western side of PDO Camp Fire Sparks on the AFL's just ramped. So at the time.
Again, ADS 4-1, I will hold that ramp down call. Everyone's going to be remaining on deck.
At that hour timeline, we're going to call the extract Waldo, signifying we have a missing Marine. From there, from +1 to is, and then we'll traverse this finger up west so that we can move on to the next action, which is conducting our leader's recon.
Lastly, reinforcements. So 15 dismounts and or 2 or more technical. Those reinforcements come show they're facing NAI2. Scouts or escorts is going to smoke them. Way off there at the damn hangar over there in case frames is there. Egress from the target site. 1 squad at phase line gold on this finger here will establish overwatch for the rest of the meet.
Lee, you look ugly as fuck. He's gonna delete that.
You got it. Assistant team leader. Assistant team leader? Yeah. I just gotta make sure I gotta. What is it? 6 weeks? 8 weeks? 6 weeks.
Can you let the guys know they need to use me?
CCP over here.
I know in combat we do some crazy. Johnson, left, right.
No. Hey, come on. Hey, Chevy.
Perfect.
Hey, where's the POI?
Did you guys have the POI? Foreman.
Same
spot.
Landmark first, yep.
Same spot where you stick your needle D.
What is that?
It's gonna be your 5th intercostal space.
Okay, am I going below it or just go?
Get these on. Hey, come to me. 1, 2, time. 3, 4.
Give me one. Here. Pick up stairs. Pick up stairs.
We're all floating.
Pick up stairs. Pick up stairs. Pick up stairs.
Roger.
Push the second deck of 6.
Right here, right behind you.
I need 2.
Go through. Let me know when I'm good to start that 30-minute timer.
Oh no, push short, 6 quarter.
Around the corner, out around the corner. Let's get around here. And then I'll turn around. All right, sounds good. Yeah.
Let's go! Run.